Hi guys, how are you all? Wish you all a happy Makar Sankranti, Pongal, Bhogi and Lori. Hope your festival it was nice and you all had enjoyed well. I hope so. Okay, may this festival brings you a lot of happiness and abundance into your life. Okay, so I am back again with another pick a card reading. These days I was little busy with the festival and all, but now I am free. So I thought I will do a reading for you. So I have posted poll in community section, and in that most votes came for one topic, that is do they regret losing you? Okay, so do they regret losing you? You have someone in your life, specific someone, and you both had a breakup, or you both are not talking to each other, both got separated or divorced, or it can be anything into your life. Please take it however it resonates with you. Okay, so you are asking about that person, whether that person is regretting or not, or whether that person missing you, or do they want to reconcile. Everything we will see in today's reading. This reading will be little longer, I think so, because we will see in detail. So as usual, we have three piles here. Pile number one, oh, this lapis lazuli. Pile 2, tiger's eye. Then pile 3, black tourmaline. So whichever pile you are intuitively connected with, you can choose the pile. If you need more time, you can pause the video, meditate on the pile, then you can choose accordingly. Okay, so please take one pile for one person if you have more than one person. So don't select a pile for two people. Okay, so that's my request, and please note that these are general readings. They may or may not resonate with everybody. Please take whatever resonates with you, leave the rest. Maybe that is not for you. Okay, those messages might be for someone else. Then some people I saw that they are taking whatever message is coming in the general reading, they are taking it very personally and commenting that no, this is not resonating with me and all. But that's what I'm saying again and again, it is general reading, right? So many of you all many of you will be seeing this reading, watching this reading. So each energy will be different, each situation scenario will be different. So that is what, whatever resonates with you, only those messages you take it. Okay, leave the rest. Okay, that's my humble request to you all. Don't get confused and think negatively. Okay, that's all. Then before starting the reading, I would like to thank all my viewers and subscribers who are my dear people. You are really near to my heart, and I'm very much thankful to you. My heartfelt gratitude to all of you. Okay, that's all. Let's start the reading with pile number one. This is lapis lazuli. Whoever chose this lapis lazuli, this reading is for you. Let us see. Do they regret losing you? Do they regret losing you? Let us ask spirits and angels. Do they regret losing you? Spirits and angels, please give us some guidance and clarity. Do their person, file number one's person, regret losing them? Are they missing them? Please give us some guidance and clarity. Are they missing them? Okay. So let us see. We have three cards already here. We'll take two more. So the cards we have here: Nine of Wands, Seven of Swords, Temperance, then Seven of Pentacles, Ten of Wands. Bottom of the deck we have the Eight of Wands. Okay, so first of all, signs I will tell, but before that I would like to pull some more cards so that we can get more and more messages. One second, friends, let me adjust the lighting. Okay, this is much better. So we have here Eight of Wands, Nine of Wands, Ten of Wands. All that together they are, it is in synchronicity, synchronized. All the cards are synchronized, and we have twice Seven of Swords and Seven of Pentacles. Then we have Temperance. So let me pull some more cards for you. Do they regret losing you? Do they regret losing you? Do they regret losing you? Spirits and angels, please give us some guidance and clarity. Do they regret losing my pile number 1? Okay, we have here 6 of wands. That is what is missing here. All the wands cards are there. So that also came. 10 of swords. The burning tower. Then we have already here 7 of pentacles. Twice it came. 9 of stars. Then bottom of the deck we have 6 of cups. Okay, very good. So let me tell you the signs first. The signs I can see here are Sagittarius. I can see prominently. Then I can see Aries also. Aries, Leo, Sag is very prominently. That's what I can say. Then Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. Very few of you will have Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. 1% of you will have the Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Okay, so what I feel is this connection is basically of attraction. Okay, so and this person might be from your past. You know this person, maybe your classmate, college mate, schoolmate, or a friend, colleague. Okay, so you know this person from long time. So recently maybe you might have expressed the feelings or developed the feelings. Maybe it is unconfessed love also for some of you. So this person is definitely missing you. That's what I can see here. But they are scared somehow. They are scared to come towards you. Why? Because you both broke up. This connection fallen down unexpectedly because of the we can see the burning tower. So something happened unexpectedly in your connection. That is the reason this connection has fallen down, crushed down unexpectedly. So the one reason might be this person might be a player earlier, like they were not able to give you commitment, or they were not able to be honest with you because they were I think they didn't tell you how they feel. They were not very open with you, not very honest with you. Maybe this person you cannot say that purposely they did it or what. It might be their mentality or behavior also, because some people are not very open to express their feelings and love. So maybe this person is one of them. So they didn't express anything, so that made you think that you are unwanted in that person's life, and you felt like betrayed or deceived by this person. But definitely this person is regretting losing you, because 9 of wands is there, but he is quite he or she is very quite defensive, and they don't want to agree that they are wrong. If they have done something wrong also, they are not agreeing they have done something wrong, but they are into definitely a deep pain, because knight of swords is there. So they are definitely in a deep pain, and they are constantly reminding all the things whatever happened between you, even though they want to communicate with you, because 8 of wands is there. They want to their attraction and passion towards you is so much that they want to communicate with you, but they don't have that much courage to contact you. Maybe they are feeling that you will reject them or ignore them, or you might not allow them to come back into their life. There are some things which happened between you is troubling them. They are not able to sleep at night, definitely, for sure. For some of you they are like maybe health issues are there for that person. Also I can see this connection is ended for sure, because 10 of swords is there. Maybe you have moved on to another connection, or this person has moved on to different connection, but still they are not able to forget you. Definitely they are feeling very like guilty. I'm getting the message of guilt here. They have a lot of guilt they are carrying on their shoulder, because 10 of wands is there. Lot of they know that they have done something wrong, but they are not able to admit it. And the reason for this breakup might be marriage. They might have already they have married somebody else, and later they realize that they have their feelings and their love towards you is real, and now they can't do anything. For some of you I'm saying there, because 4 of wands card is there, 4 of suns card is there. So this is a marriage card actually. So definitely, or this person, you are married to this person, then you both got divorced or separated, because ten of swords stars is there immediately next to this four of wands. So maybe you both are already married, then you got separated or you got divorced. So this message is also for some of you. Okay, so that is the reason this person is not able to come back to you. But definitely they have this regret, they have this painful feelings towards you. They are whatever memories they have, they are again and again they are seeing your photos, maybe of messages, because seven of pentacles are there. That means they are definitely admiring you, adoring you. They are looking at you from far. Maybe this person is keeping an eye on you. I cannot say stalking, but maybe they are keeping an eye on you, they are checking on you, maybe they are inquiring about you, but they are not taking any action. They are simply waiting, simply looking at you from far away. No, but they want to, they have a lot of feelings. They want to give you some gift also. They want to offer you something. At least they want you to be in their life as a friend. If not as a romantic partner, but they want to have you in their life like a friend, because you were friends already. So something happened and you broke up or separated. So this person definitely wants to have at least a friendship in their life. So that is what I can feel from this pile. Okay, and they want to have balance in this connection, as I told you. Like they want to have a balanced relationship with you, like a friendship. Okay, if at all if they are like not able to go get along with the other person whom they got married, maybe they have the feelings of being together, like a live-in relationship, because they want to have balance in this connection. So no fighting and all, because maybe you had lot of arguments, disagreements, fights and all. So they want to have the balance, because whatever happened with the burning tower, so they want to clarify the things. They want to come back, they want to clarify what made them to do such things, or what made them not to confess their love towards you or their feelings, whatever it may be. Definitely they want to communicate. Eight of wands. Okay, so whatever happened unexpectedly, they want to explain why it happened. Okay, so these are their feelings. Definitely they are regretting, and they did not forget you. If you are thinking that they already forgot me, they have moved on, they moved on to different connection, they got married, no, they are still carrying that pain, that burden on their shoulders, the responsibility. The reason they walked away from you might be different, but now they are realizing that they are in definitely in love with you, and they are carrying that burden on their shoulders. Okay, so they have lot of attraction, passion towards you, because wands are more, that means their fiery energy. So they have lot of attraction. They want to have they want to see you in person. Actually, they want to see you, they want to feel you, they want to touch you, they want to know what exactly you want in your life, or what exactly you want from them. Okay, so if any case is there, if they can do something, they want to offer you something, they want to give you a gift and all. So definitely this person is regretting, and they are missing you a lot. That's what I can feel. Okay, so let us see. Spirits and angels, please tell us, do they want to reconcile with my pile number one? Please tell me, do they want to reconcile with my pile number one, people? Do they have reconciliation in their on their mind? Please give us some guidance and clarity. Let us see if they want to have reconciliation with you. The Lovers, the Fool, the Star. Okay, that is 100% yes, because they love you so much. The Lovers card is there. Yes, all the three cards are yes, yes, yes. Okay, so they see you as a celebrity, and they want to come back to you. They want to, maybe they are feeling that you both are soulmates, or like a soul connection is their divinely guided connection. That's what they feel, and they want to take a risk in this connection. Maybe they are having this fear, like whatever happened in the past, it might reoccur. Some bad memories are there, but still they want to take a risk, and they want to come back to you, and they want reconciliation strongly. There is a hope for this person because star card is there. There is a hope for this person to come back to you. They feel that definitely this connection will work out, and you both love each other like lovers. So you both are like tied to each other, and kind of a twin flame or soulmate connection. So definitely they want you to be in their life. They want to reconcile for sure. Okay, be happy, enjoy. So now let us see their messages for you. What messages they want to give. Okay, spirits and angels, please give us some guidance and clarity. What messages they want to tell my pile number one. Okay, first one is seeing you happy all that I want. I love you. Very nice. Soon I will contact. There is so much I want to tell you. I am on my way. So definitely, as I told, the communication card is there, 8 of Wands. So definitely they will come and contact. You are the energy that heals me. I feel helpless. I want to be with you, but I can't. So some of you, as I told, they are already married, so they can't be with you at the moment. Reconcile with me forever. I'm sorry that I broke your heart. Now they regret, as I told you already. They are regretting. This distance is killing me. So this might be long distance relationship because the star card always represents it's a long distance relationship. Okay, so that's all I have for you, pile number one. If you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Press bell symbol for more notifications from my channel. Until the next reading, bye. Hello friends. Whoever chose this tiger's eye, this reading is for you. Let us see. Do they regret losing you? My pile number two people, do they regret losing you? Please give us some guidance and clarity, spirits and angels. Do they regret losing my pile two people? Do they regret losing my pile two people? Spirits and angels, please give us some guidance and clarity. Do they regret my pile two people? 7 of Wands, 2 of Cups, 10 of Cups, 4 of Cups, 10 of Swords. Bottom of the deck we have Temperance. Now let us pull some more cards. Do they regret losing my pile 2 people? Do they regret losing my pile 2 people? The Sun card. I can't take so many cards, spirits and angels. Okay, we have a 6 of Moons. Do they regret losing you? Please give us some guidance and clarity. Do they regret losing you? Okay, first let me arrange this. The Star, 6 of Cups, the Hanged Man, 9 of Cups, again 9 of Cups, 10 of Cups and 9 of Cups, 2 of Wands, Judgment. Okay, so let me start the reading. First I'll tell you the signs here. The signs I can see Sagittarius is very strong here. Then I can see Aquarius is very strong. Maybe one of you is Sagittarius and one of you is Aquarius, like that. Maybe you both are like couple. Then I can see Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Then there is fixed signs like Taurus, Leo, Scorpio and Aquarius. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius I can see. Yes, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. Okay, almost all signs are there. So this person is regret losing you. Yes, definitely they regret losing you because they are feeling that you both are soulmates and you both share the partnership. Maybe you both are better half soulmates, or you both might be wife and husband and you got divorced or you got separated due to some reasons. Okay, but this person is fighting for existence, struggle for existence, I can say, because this person is not able to live without you, because maybe you both are in live-in relationship, or you both were or wife and husband earlier. So this person is not able to live alone. This person is alone now, and they don't know how to survive without you, because you were taking care of them so much, or you were giving them emotional support if you both are not married. But definitely there will be there is like day to day conversation. You know this person for many years, so this person might be same like pile 1. If you want, you can see pile 1 also. So same like pile 1, it is like innocent love, childhood love, maybe classmate, college mate, schoolmate, or colleague, friend. You know this person for many many years. Okay, your relationship is not in new or very short term, it is a long term relationship. Then something happened and you both broke up with each other. So still they see you as their family. Maybe you are a family of them, and you have kids also, because 10 of cups is there. So 10 of cups is always talking about the beautiful family, children, abundance. Okay, so they are missing all those memories that they had with you. So they don't know what to do. They are quite like struggling. They, I can't say they are defensive also, but they don't know how to approach you. They have that fear, anxiety. They have lot of regret. I can see the pain also in their eyes. So they have lot of mental anguish or anxiety going on. So they don't know how to express to you, because they are scared. Say they are scared to come back to you, because they feel that they, you may not accept them, or you have already moved on. That's what they feel. Maybe they are thinking that you have already moved on with somebody else, or you got married, or they got married, because this 10 of cups indicates both sides. Okay, so that is what they feel. That is the reason they are not able to come towards you. But at least they want to have balance. The temperance card is there, so at least they want to have balance in this connection. They don't want to fight. They don't want to block you, or you block them. They don't want to happen that. So at least as a friend, they want you in their life. At least you can meet, you can see each other, you can talk to them. They want to feel you, they want to touch you, they want to see like how are you now. Maybe you both got separated, maybe 1 year, or 7 months, or for some of you 7 years also, 5 years, 7 years. So definitely this person is very much confused, wishy-washy. Once they want to come back to you, once they are scared, they are like two of wands is there, so they are waiting patiently. This is also some, for some of you this also might be a long distance relationship. This person might be different in different state, city, or country. You are their wish fulfillment for sure. Okay, 9 of cups is there, so you are their wish fulfillment, and they are not able to express their love towards you. 4 of cups is there. Maybe they only left you, they ignored your connection when you offered the love. Then they only might have rejected you, or they only broke up with you. Okay, so when you both were together, they didn't give that much value to you, because they were having some different issues in their life, or maybe they were thinking about their past. They have some bad relationships in the past. Maybe they are regretting about that. So when you both were together, that time they didn't take good care of you. Now they are regretting, because 9 of swords is there. Definitely they are crying at night, they are not able to sleep. They are like again and again they are thinking about you, the past, whatever happened between you. They are every day they are like a recap. It is whatever happened with you, the dialogues, the situation, they're again rewinding in their mind again and again. They don't know what to do. They want reconciliation, because judgment is there. Definitely they want to have reconciliation, and they have hope also that this connection can be better, but they don't know how to approach you, how to fix this. The star card is there, so this person has a hope. They see you as a celebrity, sun, the star. Okay, so they see you as a bright sunlight in their life, and they are missing that now. So when you left them, then only they realize that how important person you are in their life. Okay, so that is definitely they are regretting, they are crying, they are missing you so much, and they are in a hanged man position. They don't know what to do. They are like a hanged man, and even they have lot of other issues also in their life that they are dealing with. Maybe they have lot of financial issues, or some debts or something, or their family is an issue. So that is the reason they are in kind of a hanged man position. but I can see everywhere sun. Okay, so they feel that you are their sunshine, and every card it is showing me sun. So that means lot of passion, lot of attraction towards each other. They are missing you in physical manner also. Maybe you had some intimate moments earlier, so they are missing that also. They want everything like from you. They want you to be them. They are little possessive also. They don't want you to be with someone else. They can't see that also. So definitely they want to come back to you, but they don't know how. Okay, so already it came, judgment came, but still I want to see, do they want to reconcile? Will they reconcile, spirits and angels? Will they reconcile with my pile number 2? Spirits and angels, please give us some guidance and clarity. Will they reconcile with my pile number 2? Even though they want to reconcile with the judgment card, let us see. Will they reconcile with my pile 2 people? The star, twice the star card came. Temperance, twice temperance came. And the devil. Okay, so definitely they want to reconcile with you. They are like obsessively thinking about you. That's what I said, no? 9 of swords, they are not able to sleep. So in love readings, when devil card comes, it is a positive card. Okay, positive situation, because that person is missing you so much. They are not able to sleep. They are thinking about you so much, and they have a fear also that you are moving on, you are going with somebody else, you are dating somebody else. So they have lot of negative thoughts in their life. Because of that, maybe they are addicted to drinking, smoking, like that, to forget, to numb the pain. So they have gone into lot of addictions because of you. But definitely they want to reconcile with you. Definitely the star card is there, temperance is there. So they feel you are the better half, like Ardhanarishwar, like yin and yang. So they definitely feel that you are the other half of them, and that is the reason they want to reconcile. There is a star card, definitely it will happen, because they will make it happen, because they are obsessively thinking about you. Okay, so our question is, the answer for our question is yes. So let us see their messages for you, file number 2. What are the messages that they want to tell you? What they want to tell you right now? One card flew away. We are soulmates. Yes, you both are soulmates, because 2 of cups card is there. You both are soulmates. I am trying to heal. The karmic hates you. I am trying to break up with karmic. Okay, so someone else is there in their life, even though it is not shown in the cards that much. Maybe 10 of cups is indicating that this person is already married to somebody else. So they are saying that that karmic person hates you. I am working on my finances for our better future. So as I told you, they might be busy with their finances. Soon I will contact. There is so much I want to tell you. I am on my way. Okay, so definitely they want to come back to you. This distance is killing me. The same messages came in pile 1 also. If you want, you can see. I'm so sorry. I took you for granted. I didn't understand my feelings in the past. Okay, definitely because of the 4 of cups, they might have rejected you in the past. They have taken you for granted. Now they are regretting. Okay, so that's all I have for you, pile number 2. If you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Press bell symbol for more notifications from my channel. Until the next reading, bye. Whoever chose this black tourmaline, this reading is for you. Let us see. Do your person regret losing you? Do they regret losing you? Spirits and angels, please give us some guidance and clarity. Do they regret losing my pile 3 people? Do their person regret losing them? Do their person regret losing them? Pile number 3. Spirits and angels, please give us some guidance and clarity. We have already the Lovers card. 3 of Swords. Ace of Swords. 5 of Wands. 10 of Wands. Bottom of the deck we have Death. Let us pull some more cards. Spirits and angels, please give us some guidance and clarity. Do they regret losing my pile 3 people? Do they regret losing my pile 3 people? Please give us some guidance and clarity. Okay, as this card is open, I'll take. Do they regret losing my pile? Three people. The burning tower. Four of sons. Ace of swords. Five of swords. And bottom of the deck we have seven of swords. Okay, let me tell you the signs here. I can strongly see Gemini here. Gemini, then Scorpio, Capricorn, Aries, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. It's not there. Taurus is there, but Virgo, Capricorn is not there. Capricorn is also there. Then I can see Aries, Leo, Sag. Okay, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, it is there already. Okay, so these are all the cards except earth signs. Every other sign is there here. Please take it however it resonates. So definitely this person is like feeling that this is end of the connection. It's already dead. This connection is already died. There is nothing else is there between you, but they want to have the rebirth. Okay, so whatever happened in the past, they want to forget and they want to start something new with you. They are really heartbroken. They are not able to forget the pain or betrayal, backstabbed. They are feeling a lot of things. Maybe the third party is there. Maybe you moved on or they moved on. But you both were like soulmates or twin flames. You both were in love with each other because the lover's card is there. Definitely the love is there between you. Both of you love each other very dearly. But the problem is one of you got married to someone else, the third party. That's why Three of Swords is there. Heartbroken. Then either you got married to somebody else or they got married, and a lot of fights and disagreements. Even though they fought like till the last moment, they tried to attract this connection into their life. They have struggled for that. They have worked hard for that. Maybe they were fighting with their family. They were trying to convince their family for this connection. But definitely something happened really unexpectedly. And that guilt and that shame and that regret they are carrying on their shoulders, because 10 of wands is there. So lot of burden is there on their shoulder. So they only walked away, I feel, from this connection, and that definitely that regret is there on their shoulders. They are feeling guilty actually. So, but they don't know what to say because seven of swords is there. That means this person might be a little bit like player vibes, flirty nature. Maybe they didn't tell you how exactly they feel. They have masked their feelings. They didn't tell you. They kept you in darkness. They kept you in limbo. So you were waiting for this person and this person didn't respond to you. Maybe they ignored you and they moved on to different connection. But definitely this person is having lot of obsessive thinking, lot of obsessive feelings towards you. They want to come towards you like they will. They are thinking now, so constantly thinking about you. They want to hallucination imagining you. They are thinking about the past, whatever happened between you. They are remembering again and again. Maybe they got into some addictions also because of you, maybe drinking, smoking, drugs or something like that. So the devil is like they can't leave you. They feel that you both are chained together. They don't want to leave you for any cost. So they might trick you, they might do anything for you, but they don't want to lose you. Because Five of Wands is there, they are definitely feeling that there is some competition in this connection. Maybe there are a lot of suitors for you in this connection, so they don't want to miss you. So maybe for some of you, they are fighting also. Now, whoever is looking at you or whoever you are dating, maybe your person is fighting with them already. But one of you are definitely got married because Four of Wands is there, or you are already married with this person and you got separated or divorced. But definitely they want to have a new beginning in this connection because Ace of Swords is there. They want to cut all the bullshit, whatever happened between you. They want to cut all the BS and they want to start something new, something fresh. Even death also, whatever happened is happened. So they want to have a rebirth in this connection. They want to start something new with you. But they are quite defensive, I can say, because Five of Swords is there. A lot of fighting, disagreements. So it is, I can see that the family is also involved in this. So that is the reason you both are not coming together, not able to contact each other. But let us see what exactly they feel about you. Like, do they want reconciliation, spirits and angels? Do they want reconciliation in this connection? Do they want reconciliation? Do they want to reconcile with my pile 3 people? Please give us some guidance and clarity. The Magician, the Empress, and the Devil. So definitely Devil came twice. They won't leave you. That's what they want to definitely reconcile with you, because the Empress is there. Maybe for some of you, you are already having their baby, like you might be pregnant because of them, or you both are wife and husband, you got separated or divorced, and their child is with you. Okay, so the Empress means a pregnant lady. Definitely they are manifesting this connection into their life, and they will take action, because Ace of Swords is there. Definitely they want to take action. They are about to take action. Twice I can see the horse, they are sitting in horse and coming towards you. So definitely they want to come towards you. They will take action. So they will come to you. And from, maybe you got separated for maybe 5 months or 5 years or 1 year, okay, or 1.5 years. So this person definitely is looking for reconciliation, manifesting you back into their life, and they are seeing you as their wife or husband, mother of their children or father of their children. So you are quite abundant. That's what they feel. You have everything in your life. You are very rich, beautiful, abundant. So that is what is attracting them towards you, because without you they are nothing. Okay, so they feel empty in their life without you. So that is the reason which is making them to come back to you. They want to reconcile. They will reconcile with you. The answer is yes. Okay, they will reconcile with you, but the timings we are not looking in this reading, but definitely our question is cleared, that they are coming back. Okay, let us see their messages for you. Pile number 3. Spirits and angels, please give us some clarity. What are their messages for my pile 3 people? I hide my feelings for you, but I secretly love you so much. Okay, they might have not confessed their love towards you. So I want to get back together with you. I miss you so much. Yes, definitely this person miss you. We will succeed. There will be a union of our hearts and body. Okay, that is what Devil card says. That reunion of hearts and body, passionate reunion. The timing was not right for us. I want to feel the same way again. Maybe you had beautiful memories in the past. They want to feel again the same. I feel helpless. I want to be with you, but I can't. So definitely this person might be already married with someone else. Some people don't want to see us together. Okay, this is also, as I told, maybe friends or family is obstacle in this connection. Okay, that's all I have for you. Pile number 3. If you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Press bell symbol for more notifications from my channel. Until the next reading, bye. Once again, wish you all a happy Makar Sankranti. Bye.